Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can tell from the order machine that your order has arrived in Heartopia. So if you go to the ordering machine, it's going to turn yellow and there will be like a box icon on it, and that means your package has arrived. Here you have the options to purchase other stuff too with the item you ordered. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to purchase these ones because I don't really want to spend my wishing star. So I am going to purchase this though. So let's do that. And then you're going to start a new order. And then the screen will be like this. But when you actually order something, it is going to be like blue. So this is what it's going to look like, and there will be like a truck icon as well. So let's do the food display showcase. Actually, kind of want to do like the let's see if they have it. Okay, kind of want to do the ice cream freezer, so let's order that. I really need to have people set my tickets. I'm just going to press leave here. And then, okay, it should be like blue, but I think it's going to like turn blue once it's like a few more days till it has arrived or something. But yeah, that is how you can check your ordering machine status. You can also just press on it and see how many days you got left. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.